packed stadium, heated games, and enthusiastic fans. Basketball games in male ethnic villages in China's Guizhou have recently attracted wide attention on social media. The games, dubbed Guizhou Super Bowl by some netizens, have been held in the region for decades. They are part of a series of cultural and sports activities held in the summer every year in Taijiang County.
从小到大，只要有篮球场只要有比赛的话，基本上都去看。我们来这里的话，其实最主要就是来感受这种现场的气氛，不管男女老少都可以来现场感受。真的，你们到这里的话，你们自己也体会到了啊。
我就是干部的，就是在家就是一个业余的篮球爱好者，就投入到这个赛事里面来。我们的热情不需要任何东西来支撑，就是说我们自己自发的爱好，没有谁说让你喜欢这赛事，是我们老百姓自己自发的，高高兴兴的参与到里面，都很热情，都很高涨。